What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my free TikTok dropshipping course for 2023. This is video 7 out of 10, and in this video particularly, we're going to be going over how to set up your TikTok back end. So we're going to be going over things like how to create your TikTok ads manager, how to create your TikTok pixel, how to get a TikTok representative, and how to add your payment methods so that you're ready to start running your first ads. So guys, all that I ask is if that you find any value from these videos that you're watching, please just give me a thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And please consider subscribing so you guys don't lose access to any of these videos. Leave your comments below and I'm going to do my best to answer every single one of them. And if you want to take it a step further and you want some mentorship and access to me 24/7, please consider joining my Discord group below for only a couple of dollars per month. You know, I could save you thousands of dollars in mistakes, and I can also help you reach that next level. Below, I have a link to a 3-day free trial of Shopify, and it's $1 per month for the first 3 months after that. So you're not going to want to miss that. Get that before that goes away, and that link is down below. Okay, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in this section, just follow everything step by step and just do everything as I do it. It's pretty easy to set up, and it should only take a few minutes. It's pretty straightforward. So I definitely recommend setting up an appointment with your TikTok representative. I show you in a video how to do exactly that, but I think it's very beneficial because they can help you out a lot with a couple of different things. For anything from like basic questions to, let's say, worst comes to worst, your ad account gets banned or something like that, they can go in and help you with all of that. And another thing that's very important is when you're setting up your payment method, make sure that you click automatic payments and not manual payments. So there's a section for that below when adding a payment method. Just pay close attention because you want to set up automatic payments. But otherwise, everything's very straightforward, and just follow the videos below. And then once you're done setting up all your TikTok stuff on the back end, then go ahead and move on to the next section. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to sign up for TikTok's ads manager. So in order to do that, you're going to go to Google and type in TikTok ads manager sign up. TikTok ads manager sign up. And right here, sign up for TikTok ads. Click that. It's going to bring you here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and select your country. I'm from the United States, so it's already selected. Industry, I usually select e-commerce, and then if you can find your subcategory here, click that. But if not, just click other. You're going to put your legal name of your business or whatever your store name is, or what you plan on having your store name be. I'm just going to put in mine. Select your time zone, currency, and then click this little box right there. By clicking here, you confirm and read and understand TikTok's terms, all that stuff, and then click register. So it gives you two options right here, a simplified mode or a custom mode. I always select custom mode because you get access to everything. And that's it. So an important thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a TikTok pixel for your Shopify store. So what a pixel does, it tracks all your customers' actions on your store and it reports it back so you can read it in your ads. So if somebody goes on your website and makes a purchase, you can see that somebody purchased in your ads when you look at them, when you look at the data. It also keeps track of, customers that view your pages, that add to cart, initiate checkout, and all that. And what that's good for is it's tracking all that data so you can eventually make lookalike audiences in the future based off of customers' behavior on your store. So you're going to want to first go to assets right here and click event. Then you're going to go to website pixel, manage, and create pixel. So you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it new pixel. And then what I'm gonna do is install pixel code by third-party tool. Shopify. And you can hit go to Shopify. And you're gonna search for TikTok. All right. And it's this one right here, TikTok by TikTok Inc. Add app. Add sales channel. So set up now. All right, so you're gonna go here and connect TikTok for business and hit connect. Hit connect. And then you're gonna wanna connect right here to the store that you have, connect. And then scroll down here, customer data sharing, maximum, connect. Make sure your pixel is right there. Hit confirm. And then that should be it for that. Once you do that, you're all set. And then you can go back to TikTok. And there you go, it's set up. So you could also check to see if your pixel was downloaded correctly by downloading TikTok Pixel Helper. So TikTok Pixel Helper is a Google Chrome plugin that runs in the background to check if it's been, successfully installed. You can click right here to download it. I already have it downloaded, so what you could do is you can go to your site, and once you had the TikTok Pixel Helper downloaded, you just click the extension up here, and right here it says, right there. So with that, you know that your pixel was installed successfully. All right, and once that's done, you're done with your pixel installation. So one of the cool things about TikTok is that they have great customer support. So when you first make your ads manager, you're gonna get this little pop-up on the right-hand side of your screen, and it says a free one-on-one consultation. It says, congratulations, you're eligible for a free one-on-one consultation with one of our ad specialists. So what I suggest you do is schedule that. So this is what it looks like when you click it. It says select your advertising objective, always conversions when you're doing e-commerce. When do you plan to run your first campaign? I would say within a week. Your monthly budget, you can put you can kind of put anything you want. So I'll just put 200 to 500. Anything specific you need from our sport team. You can ask any questions right here, just so when it does get scheduled, they kind of know what to talk to you about. But you can kind of put anything you want for now, and then fill out your phone number, email address, and then what time it's best to contact you, and hit confirm. Having an ad specialist that you can talk to whenever you want, it's very, very beneficial, and it'll get to the point where you can schedule weekly calls on Zoom. So when I first started out with TikTok ads, I had a lot of questions, and they really helped me clarify a lot of things. Anywhere from setting up your campaign to if you have any questions, or if your account gets disabled for any reasons, they can walk you through everything. So it's great to get in touch with them, and it's great to have them on your side. And their customer support is amazing. So compared to Facebook ads, if you've ever ran those before, you know that it's not that easy to get in touch with somebody when you have issues. But TikTok, it kind of feels like, they're looking out for their advertisers. So definitely get in touch with them. It's great to have them on your side, just in case anything happens. But that's how you do that. So once you sign up for your ads manager, you're going to want to put a payment method in order to pay for the ads. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this little bubble right here. You're going to scroll down to payment. And then you want to add your payment method. So you see your account won't be able to run ads until the information sections are completed. So you can add all your info. And this is crucial right here. For payment method, you want automatic payment. So link a card to your account and set up automatic payment on a recurring billing date when you've reached the threshold. So this one, you don't have to do anything. You just put your card in, and then once your billing reaches a certain threshold, like say $100, then it'll bill you. So make sure you choose automatic payments, because if you choose manual payments, you have to spend like a certain amount of money before you could even switch back to automatic. And it's just a pain in the ass. So make sure automatic payment is selected. And then put your business address in right here, and then go through the next steps. But make sure automatic payment is selected. And then the account status is under review. So once you put that in, you're going to go back to payment, add payment methods, and then fill all this out. So I'm going to do that real quick. And it verifies your card once you hit submit. And then payment method added. Then you're good to go. So the first billing threshold right here is $5. So once you reach $5, it'll charge your card, or once it reaches the actual date, it'll charge your card. So it's August 17th right now, so I'm going to get billed on the 21st. So whatever comes first, the $5 or August 21st. But your threshold starts to rise once you start spending more money. Alright, so once you got your payment set up, you're all good for that.